My team legendary. We like Shaq. We like Kobe. We like Michael Jordan. It's only one of us, man. What's going on? We back at it again on YouTube. I'm posting another video today. Well, making another video today. I don't know if it's gonna be posted today, but we're on our way to Lapeer. I got like 3 minutes left before I pull up there. We got the UCM MODDED Detroit / Metro Detroit, and they got the helicopter rides and stuff going on there right now. I heard it's supposed to be like a Forza Horizon type event, and we finna have some fun, man. I know I ain't been on here in a minute, man. I gotta start posting more frequently. I be having so much going on, but I'm back on here, man. I'm gonna be more consistent. Oh yeah, y'all know where I'm at. Damn, look at the line to get in here, though. It's crazy. Y'all see where I'm at? Dang, can't even see nothing. My bad, y'all. My bad. We just pulled up. You see the smoke. Burnout box. Oh yeah, they definitely got the helicopter rides and stuff going on. I just seen the helicopter up there, but oh yeah, made it to the destination. I'm gonna catch y'all back when I get in there. I finally made it in here. It took forever to get to that line. It's packed here too, man. Everybody and they mama up here again, but there's some sweet cars out here too. I ain't gonna lie. I wish I had some sweets. Stay tuned. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. Just stay tuned. I'm trying to meet up with my boys up here. Damn, look at this. Shit.
Don't gotta worry about it.
Yeah.
It's gonna slide even more.
Let me see what bro at, man. Oh, I forgot they drifting up here too, man. Where is Inway?
My legs wouldn't on Saturday.
Hey, what up, bro?
Oh, you talking shit? I don't know. I don't know if I
Yeah, what's going on? Hey, how you doing?
Good.
We gotta move out the way.
See where Inway at, man. Inway at? Hold on. They drifting. Damn. Oh yeah, they lit out here for a show. Let me see where dog is, bro. I don't even know where bro is. And I'm about to be stepping in mud, fucking up the James. Hello. See where bro at. Man, I just got in, bro. Where you at?
I'm all the way across the other part of this whole property where the drifting's going on.
All right, bet. Here I come.
Trying to figure out if I can get a ride.
Oh man, hey, you got a helmet?
How much buying one?
I got one in my car.
Can you bring it over here?
All right, bet. I gotta walk back over there. All right, here I come. For sure. And wait, say he trying to get a ride. Shit. Now I gotta walk back to the car. I should never brought these shoes, man. I didn't know it was gonna be all muddy and shit like this. Now I'm gonna have to clean it when I get back. It's cool though. Shoes, just shoes, just shoes. Oh, almost. Man, look at this change. That's tough. He got the old body on there. Fox body. Wish I still had my shit. Man, this 5.0 tough. We got the Grand Prix out there. You know he running. Man, look, this line barely moving. I'm glad I got up out of there. Oh yeah, we got the Civic. Hey, you know not to mess with one of these, man. They'll do you so greasy. They'll do you so greasy. Do you bogus as hell. Fuck, shit. Ooh, G-bodies. I'm finna cut through here though. Brought the helmet, man, so I can go for a little ride along. Hello. We finna go sliding. I'm finna cut through here too. Look at that paint on this 300 though. Got the pearl on that thing. Look at him. Him way.
Steve, can you answer me, please?
Of course.
I'm about to get in this Porsche. Can you use that helmet, please? Will it fit me?
I know, dude.
Can you wear this for me, please? Man, you look better now. Okay, that's fine.
What's up, nigga? Yeah. And we finna get in the GT3. That boy done took my helmet up off me. Snatchies. This is pretty tough. Oh my God.
I heard him say here comes my wife. We were telling him how does it feel that your wife's car was getting way more action.
23. Yeah.
He said he liked that. He liked that helmet.
Like that.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, race car. Oh man. You said he need. Oh, let me zoom out. Type shit. He said he needs some help. He needs some milk. Damn. He ain't there yet, man. Gotta put some chopstick on the lips. My shit gonna ash. I'm looking like Dwight.
more pressure than ready to go.
Looking like Dwight. Let's see what this 350 does. That color on it tough. Hey, look at this 350 sliding. Hello. He lit. Tandem it. Little tandem action. Little tandem action. Hello. Beamer up next.
Hold on. I got people on grid. Don't do that here. Hurry up. We'll try to load them back there. So hold on. Whenever he's good.
Let's go see what Emily say, man. Let's see what Emily say. Ooh, let me get the camera What's going on?
How much do a camera like that cost?
This like brand new, it's like $600.
This the newest you get.
Yeah.
You got the baddest camera out here.
A little bit, something.
All
like
right, brother.
Appreciate it.
All right, man.
He like that. He said I'm come get that pocket Osmo.
Oh, that is dope. Yeah, that's really fucking good.
What's up? Yeah, this is my car right here. Actually, this is my friend. You know, both of these.
Ooh, he came McLaren shirt with the McLaren. Oh my God. Bro, he need help with the helmet. Let me see.
I'm sorry, chat.
He need help with the helmet.
Whenever you go out again, can I go for a ride?
Yeah.
I want to get
Cool
some.
down for like 20 minutes.
All right, I want to get some POV videos for the event.
Yeah, honey. Yeah, I got you next then.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
All right, bet. I'm gonna go ask him and see if I can get another one. Hey, yo. Whenever y'all go to him again, can I get a ride with you?
Probably, yeah, absolutely. I gotta let my car cool down.
Yeah, he said about 20 minutes, so I was going.
Yeah, that's
me and him
probably
and
about what I got too.
All right, bet.
What's up, bud?
I appreciate it. All right, can you tell me your name and tell me what you don't? Tell me a little bit about the car.
Oh yeah, it's my name's Alex Field. I drive a '94 Mustang. It's a 308 small block Ford. So that means Ford 60 out. I got a pour and polish GT40 heads, Kamali roller rockers, you know, hard and push rods, all that. Say it actually runs pretty good. Just got my MSD ignition in, so I'm able to have a rev limiter, and that clearly helps me.
Oh
with
yeah,
drifting
right.
for sure. That clearly helps me. Oh yeah, but I got a full UPR suspension, hard mount, spherical differential bearing. I got Detroit drifting, the OEM Max angle kit.
Okay.
Other than that, man, it's pretty basic, man. I just go out there and party. I recently just did a lot of body stuff. Mostly, that's what this winter was. Just kind of just maintenance and body stuff. So I got the KVD 240 kit. I got it wrapped for my buddy Bobby with Risen wraps.
I couldn't even tell that. I thought it was like a Sylvia or something at
Really?
first, dude. When you drove by and I saw the tail, like, oh, that's a Mustang.
Yeah.
It looked real JDM.
Yeah,
Real
They
JDM.
call the kit the 2 Ford 240.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that's what-
okay,
that's what they-
yeah,
it's like a
okay,
play on
okay,
words.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what they call it. But say I got that, got it wrapped. And, oh yeah, dude. So we've been traveling quite a lot this year. Say this is our first event, pretty local in a while. Say we've been to Corvette Museum in Kentucky. We were just down at Indianapolis Raceway down in Ohio, Indiana.
Okay.
But yeah, man. Say we got another big travel event we got going on here soon.
Where's that at?
Salem, Indiana.
Okay.
There it's the oval track there. It's where they used to run the Riverside 50K shootouts. The big events. And, it's just a media day. I think it's a pretty new organization. You know, what I mean, they're trying to bring some more light to organizations. Like, hey, fuck yeah, I'll come drive. You know?
Oh yeah. How long have you been driving for?
So 3 years technically, but I only drove like 3 events last year, and they were botched. You know what I mean? So I went through 4 motors last year. Yes, I went through 4 motors last year. Say block everything. Ended up having kept bending my rods and just throwing my wrist pin into my cylinder wall and scoring my cylinder wall by like an 1/8 inch.
Oh man.
So realistically, I only say 2 years because I really don't count last year. You know what I mean? I've only went a few years, but yeah, a few years. You know what I mean? I've been around for a while.
Anyway, so he's trying to get a shot too with the helmet on.
Welcome back to another video, Big Steve TV. Big Steve fans, we're here at Lapeer, and we got the drift cars out. This is not no takeover, Mopar, dumb shit, Detroit. This is skilled driver.
Absolutely.
Skilled.
Hey, I'll tell you what. I used to be out in the takeovers too, way back in the day too.
Oh yeah.
You got to get out to the track, man. You got to get, be safe. It's friendly. It keeps the car scene good. You gotta.
You keep up with FD?
Absolutely, yep.
Oh yeah.
Say, I don't know, Adam LZ, right? And you see how he just got his new motor.
Yep.
So I'm the guy who did that. I'm his mechanic.
Really?
Steve Morris, yep.
Man, that's crazy.
Yep.
I went to an FD event, and I also been to an Adam LZ event. I stayed in Orlando for a year, so I stayed around there I've been to a couple of events.
Nice, yep.
Yeah.
Yep, so yeah, my life's been pretty freaking crazy lately.
I know, that's sick. That is sick, dude.
Traveling, I'm about to pick up another chassis here soon. And start building that for a Pro-Am car.
Okay.
So I'm pretty excited about that. Say I got to completely, tear it down, go through, weld all my seams, reinforce my frame, torque boxes, everything, and powder coat the whole thing, get a sandblast. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be a full pro car, man. I'm excited.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna have 2, so I'm gonna hurt to drive this one.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick. Well, it was nice talking with you, man. Thanks for the
absolutely,
interview, man.
Hey, we'll have to get a ride, man.
All right, man, for sure. I'm waiting, so I'm trying to see if I can get him in the other car and then me in this one.
Absolutely.
Both get a little.
Absolutely. Hey, it sounds good, dude. It was nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, they're crazy out here. Okay.
Oh my god, they're just standing with my
Oh yeah. This will be my first time drifting ever too, so yeah, make it an experience.
Absolutely.
I told him I'm gonna go in that one.
yeah.
I don't want to go in that one. I'll see who's better.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, sounds good. Hey.
I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but we finna go on a ride along a drift car. Wade took my helmet. He in the RX-7.
And crawled all the way back to Don's room and turned around to say hi to her. And then he goes for himself, goes
I was saying.
I never used a 5-part Hornet.
This one here, you probably have to loosen it. You're gonna have one on your other side too. Loosen it a little more, you just gotta pull this here. You'll have another one on your other side. It'll be like this, but it'll look like a buckle.
Right here?
Yep. You just gotta loosen that up.
Let me switch this camera. Hey man, that was fucking crazy, bro. That was crazy, bro. That's crazy. We all went 3 at a time. That was sick.
We went back and I was like, damn, I didn't even know we were doing 3.
I really hope that me holding it out really got some good footage.
Put out
like
the
that.
window?
Yeah. I really hope I
scared to
did.
get my shit hit by rock chips. You won't get far in life if you're not down to make sacrifices for the content.
You gotta sacrifice for the content.
Hello.
I really hope that turned out good, bro. That was crazy, bro. That was
I got another
crazy.
question for you guys. So if I were to build a good car, what is the top 3 cheapest thing? Sorry, top 3 cheapest cars that you can start off with? Either 6, that one,
Well, this would be cheapest to get into probably, but you got to do quite a bit of support to be able to compete. You know, at least it's about tandem and shit. You know what I mean?
But with these, you can like.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean.
learn,
you know what I mean? I drove this stock for a year. You know what I mean? Still had fun. I mean, but you can pick up one of these for cheap, a couple grand.
How much is this?
Same deal. You know what I mean? Them are probably 5-6 grand. You know what I mean? Especially that one's definitely more because that's an M3.
And I really want to sell that M3. Don't get me a 350Z.
Yeah, same 350. Yeah, same deal with 350C, but that's gonna be 7-8 grand for.
My dream is to get that car back there, Corvette.
Oh hell
C6
yeah!
drift
That's
car
what
would
you
be
need.
sick as
Well,
hell, dude.
my one buddy, he just bought a manual C6 Corvette, rust free, like 100-something thousand, not very many, 6 grand. Yeah.
Yo, one of the FD drivers is like 16 I think, or something like that, and he got a C6 Corvette.
I need it. How last
Just
dude?
gotta work for it, bro.
Oh,
Gotta
yeah.
manifest. I'm telling you.
It's coming. You
Gotta
gotta
go.
go.
Gotta go for
I gotta
it.
get a house first.
How much do you have into yours?
That's what I'm thinking. Like, I see all these cars.
A lot.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I haven't kept track.
Okay, yeah, go buy
I
a
went
full
through
car.
4 motors last year.
4. Oh my. That's why you say you don't count it. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yep.
It's usually about 5 times what you planned on spending.
Oh yeah.
You have your budget, and then, about
I might get
20,000.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who did the roll cages?
I don't have a roll cage.
I might get like a.
I just have
Oh
parts.
yeah. What about you?
My buddy did it.
Okay.
I
Okay.
went kit. The tubing comes all pre-bent and
Okay,
notched
okay,
and
okay.
everything. He's welded in.
How long have you been driving for?
Probably like 6 years, but my first couple years weren't great.
Okay.
Figuring out the car and everything.
What all you have done to you?
LS swapped, 488 rear end.
LS is essential.
Well, not essential, but easier than a rotary.
Rotary, yeah.
Guys, show this nigga's hat system. His hat swag.
Oh yeah.
The front one sucked, the back was mine, you know?
Oh yeah. Drip.
Outside. The front one's Bond Dutch. Nice brand.
Oh yeah.
Shit! Fuck! Hey, oh my god! Sword fight! So you're gonna go, he's gonna
Oh
go on a
yeah.
ride.
Osmo game.
He's gonna go on a ride, then you're gonna go on a ride. Are you gonna...
And then we're gonna go shoot a drag car in the field.
Well, let's wait till it's like... Never mind.
It's gonna be like blackout in like an hour.
Oh, what time is it? What do you mean hour? It's only 2 o'clock.
My helmet? What do you need?
Hello.
Money way!
Anyway, yeah.
No way.
Oh yeah.
That's sick. Was it like a gimbal?
Yeah, it's a gimbal.
Gimbal and camera saying you're one. See,
Pocket
everybody
Osmo.
had it. They're all
Everybody got
fucking-
one.
They're all fucking fanboys.
Yeah.
Chris Terrace.
You know, bro, I'm bro. I had a DJI Phantom too, bro.
Big outside. The white drone.
Watch out, man.
Oh, you gotta go.
Good job, man. You killed it. They pulled up and broke a rocker arm or something in the power steering pump.
They just fixed it.
Fixed it. Then he just went. Fucking killed it.
That's yours?
Yeah.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Can I borrow it?
Yeah, okay.
Where are you going, nigga?
I'm going to M3. Red one.
What M3?
The red E36.
You want it now? Where are you going?
He's gonna take that kid and then he's gonna get me. I want to see if I'm gonna turn my E36 into a drift car.
Your aura is mine. Huh? Your aura, lift the shaft.
I thought you said my order.
No, your aura. No more rhinestones, sorry.
Mitch stole my helmet.
Form a single file line, 11-0.
Such for you,
Hey man, I see this F-150, man, and you said he got 600 to the wheels. Should I build the F-150, man? Oh yeah, should I build the F-150, man? He got a 3.5 though, only got a 2.7. Crazy work, yo. Hey, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Should I build the F-150? Oh yeah.
Big intercooler, intake, upgraded turbo inlets, upgraded charge pipes, full 3-inch catalyst downpipes, and 3-inch exhaust.
Oh yeah, it sounds crazy. It sounds crazy.
Yeah, everyone says the EcoBoost sound bad. I think they sound great.
Oh yeah, man. Especially when you get a dog ass exhaust on them, they all sound great.
I got the Corsa.
Corsa?
Yeah.
I
It's on this side.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
It's just a side exit. It really just comes from here to here.
I think one of my buddies, he has a 5.0 and he has the same exhaust. Not
Yeah, they make
his
it
tip. Yeah, his tips are they're like that
Black?
what do you call it? No, it's like that color changing. What do you call it? I can't think of the name right now.
That's stock because they only make the silver or the black.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
So he did that though. But it's a
He got the
Corsa?
Corsa.
wild.
Got the on the 5.0. It sounds
Dude, I got
wicked
this
too.
brand new from Corsa, $400.
Damn, really?
God, it's a $1,300 exhaust.
Damn.
That's why I bought it. It's got a muffler, but
Oh yeah, it still sounds great.
thank you. Yeah. If it was a little colder, I'd be running fast.
Oh yeah, what's your time?
Fastest today was 11.9.
Damn.
Nah, I don't run faster.
Really?
I'm kind of pissed.
Really? Oh
Put these
man.
tires on today. I can't really launch it. I was wheel hopping.
Do you do burnouts and stuff? Do you do burnout or no?
I did a little bit in the rear. I've done 2 of them, but it's really
You gotta
no
just
point.
go? Yeah, right,
It's
right.
4-wheel drive.
Oh,
I just
okay,
took the
okay.
stickers off.
Oh,
They look better.
yeah. Mine don't even say 4-wheel drive on the back. It say sport on it. Yo, I gotta see this steering wheel though. This steering wheel is sick. I didn't know they made the carbon fiber steering wheel for the F-150. Should I cop, man? Y'all let me know. Should I build the F-150 or what? Let me know. Where did they go? All right, man, I gotta go catch up. All right, man, it was nice talking to you. I appreciate it. It's dope, though. I'm gonna see you when you get on the track. Hey, let me know, man. Should I do that for a movie? That's crazy. He said 600 to the wheel off the 3.5. They be talking crazy about the 3.5s, man, and the 2.7s, man. Like, we slow. Nah, bro. We can get up there on me. We can definitely get fast. Hey, but it's still people rolling in. It's still a whole bunch of rolling in. The line's still long. They got my truck over there.
What do you think this guy can take you?
Where the Civic at, man?
Getting some work done.
Getting some work done. Hell yeah. Bro, he said that truck makes 600 to the wheel, and it's a 3.5.
Really?
Yeah, it's a V6 twin turbo.
It looks like it's stock now.
I know. Sleeper.
What's up, Sean? He has the system.
Oh yeah. He got the tuner in there.
Really? Doesn't sound good.
Sound wicked. He got a Corsa exhaust on it.
You gotta do that. You gotta do that to your stuff.
I know. I got to do that to mine. I got to do it to mine. We finna get something to eat. What they got on?
Oh, the rib plate's 20.
Rip tip plate. You get two sides. Polish, square, and sausage.
Polish, gang.
Polish, sausage,
Black man.
grilled peppers, onions. I don't want that. So what's the sausage?
I just get a hamburger. Alright.
I want some ribs too.
They're good? I never had it.
Ribs to the slide.
That's Taylor. I think the last time I had a fish.
Finna get something to eat.
It feels like completely.
Try back in a second.